My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be doing a cheap camping haul unboxing and review. I've seen a few comments asking me, where can I get some cheap items for camping? And an easy answer is to just say, keep your eyes open, you know? Because, like, for example, this multi-use serving tray and bowl I picked up for $2.99. It was in the clearance section of my local grocery store. So, I mean, you just gotta keep your eyes open for deals such as this. $2.99 is a great deal for this little product. It's just a serving tray and bowl. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this. It seems to be very self-explanatory. This has a cake, but you know, you can use it as like a tray and a dish, perhaps a punch bowl, salad bowl and tray, etc. So there's multiple uses for this, and it just comes all wrapped in plastic here. It's got multiple pieces, it appears. Let's see what all this is about. Oh my gosh, look at all the plastic off. Wow. Oh wow, it even comes with like a little bowl too. Goodness. How does this work? Oh, the lid goes on like that. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so it comes with this little bowl. Actually, I'm not too sure. This must be like a separate thing, or this must go like in the tray itself. And then this is the bowl itself. You can see it's actually more of a lid to this piece down here, but it looks like the bowl perhaps goes in here. Yes, okay. So this is like the veggie tray part, you know, where you can put multiple veggies in each of these, and then it's got a little bowl in here for easy cleaning and removal, and then it's just got a lid. Something like this is easily used for camping because you always need something along these lines when you go camping. Just like a cover like this, I thought was well worth the $2.99 that I purchased it for, you know. So just keep an eye out for deals such as this. You know, your grocery store, Bed Bath & Beyond, wherever you shop, really, you know, Walmart, etc. Those type of places will have something cheap like this, and you kind of have to, if you're looking at it, just kind of think outside the box. You know, like, how can I use this for camping? Something like this is extremely easy to use when camping. You know, $2.99, yeah, I say that's a great price. So I bought this 10-inch charcoal grill. It's just a little bucket, and this cost me like $7.99, I want to say, again on clearance. It's just a cheap little thing to buy and have on hand for camping, you know, something cheap. You know, camping does not have to be expensive. You can just buy cheap things from your local grocery store. I bought both the serving tray and this charcoal kit at my local grocery store called Winco. So, you know, if you just go to your local grocery store, they a lot of times just have some of these things, and they go on sale at the end of the season or at the beginning of the season or whatever. So, I'm not too sure what that is. Okay, oh, this is probably the handle. Here's the grill thing here. You can just get something cheap like this and go and grill out and enjoy your camping experience. Camping is about enjoying the experience. It doesn't have to be stressful. You don't have to spend a whole ton of money when you go camping. That's the key, right? You have to enjoy yourself. Don't stress, you know? Camping's fun. It's not supposed to be stressful. So you can see here that it does have a bucket, and it's got a raised charcoal item here so that the ashes can fall through to the bottom of the bucket. You can kind of see down there. And then it looks like, oh, this is actually the charcoal bucket as well. Wow, this is fancy. So it's got this charcoal bucket here that you stick in, so it raises it, you know, up off the ground so that the charcoal ash just doesn't pull itself down. And then it does have this little thing here, which goes on the top of the bucket. So it goes bucket, charcoal bucket, the grates, which sits on top, and then it does have a little handle, you know. I wouldn't recommend using the handle while the bucket's in use, but it is nice that they included this. So I'm just going to stick the handle on there so you can see there like that. So after you're done, you can easily move it around. And then you can see in there, it's got the holes in here so you can easily scoop out the ash when you're finished with it. And it looks like it even has an easy grate removal tool actually, so that you can easily remove the grate without burning your hands, if that makes sense. So you just use this little tool to remove it. I'll do it from this side as well. So you basically anchor the grate, and you can use this with any other grate that you may own as well, if you need a tool like this. So just keep an eye out, you know, for great deals at your local supermarket or something like that, and you can easily go camping on the cheap. It does not have to be expensive, you know. I'm not too sure what these are. Oh, these appear to be the little feet for it. Oh, that's nice. So it sits up even further from the ground. You can put the feet on the charcoal bucket. That's what those holes were for on the side that we saw. I don't have to show you again. This is all going to recycling, don't worry. The last thing I wanted to show you is something that I personally got for free. I got it for free because I bought tickets to go see the Game of Thrones live concert experience. Basically shows, you know, part of the TV show while they play the music live. So I ended up getting this free blanket from there. It's just one of these cheap blankets, you know. It's not flame retardant. My dog uses blankets that are just like this, but on one side it's just got the black, and then on this side it's just nice and fuzzy. So, you know, you can get stuff like this for your dog or for just like a simple beach blanket. I figure I'm going to use it for a beach blanket because look how nicely it folds up into that little tiny compartment, you know. So that's what I plan on using it for. Let's see here. So we're going to see if we can't fold it back up into there. That's my plan, is to use it as that thing. There we go. So it folds up like this. See? And then it folds up into this little container. So you can carry it around like this. And this would make a great like beach blanket, you know? So you probably just have some stuff around your house where you can go camping and not have to worry. It's very simple to go camping, you know? You can buy stuff on the cheap from your grocery store, or you know, buy more expensive stuff if you want to go camping. But camping is fun, stress-free. You don't have to worry. Just bring enough food for everybody and away you go, right? So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, cheap camping haul specifically. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to hit that like button if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.